How to add email authentication in Lovable. If you're creating a certain project within Lovable, and maybe you want that project to have email authentication whenever some user signs up or anything as such. In order to do so, you just have to prompt the AI to build the login components, linking your project to a backend like Supabase or Lovable Cloud, and configuring your authentication and URL settings. Now, what I would recommend to you is you can simply use this prompt right here on the screen. So you can just pause the video, copy, and just type this out. Basically prompting the AI to add a login to the app with email and password and require login before accessing the dashboard. When you just give it a prompt as simple as this, it will basically add any type of backend necessary so that users may have to authenticate using their email addresses. And this way you can add email authentication to your project on Lovable. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.